So the back of my phone is cracked very severely, and I brought it to the...
Sorry, the subscriber you dialed cannot be connected for the moment. Please dial again later.
You won't. They done took my phone apart piece by piece. Now he over there taking the glass off, about to get me right. Other than that, I'm gonna go get me some food after this. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to my hotel. I got a new suitcase today because I broke my suitcase traveling so much, so I got another one. Go back to my hotel, switch my bags out, watch me a movie, and chill out. My man's got a telescope over here, though, I think. Oh, no, thank you. He got a real telescope over here, though. I wonder what he's looking at. That's like a big telescope, too. Like, he can see Mars. Yeah. Like I said, they got everything in this piece. I'm gonna go around and see if we can get any type of cell phone you want. Apple Watches, headphones, speakers, cameras. More screen protectors. I should do that. Anybody want to buy screen protectors, let me know. I can ship them in bulk. He got flashlights. I'm talking about, man. Every type of iPod you want. Tea containers, chargers. Y'all holler at me, man. Your boy got everything. Got access to everything. Oh, these is tough. Get this for your kids' room. Pretty dope. Man, endless things. Walkie-talkies, radios, back massagers. Yeah, I can't get a good view. But he's chipping it off piece by piece. And then he's gonna replace it with the one he got over here. And then he's gonna put my phone back together. I sure is hungry right now. I know that for facts. I am a hungry soldier. Got another memory card today because I've been running out of space to keep recording. I need to do some more editing, but y'all know how it is. Oh yeah, got the new bag today. They keep wanting to follow my face. There we go. Well, my new bag. Y'all know I'm in love with LV, so. Done up, now you dusting. Let's check them out, man. They took all the broke part off. Can I see? So he took the whole, he took the broke part off. Now it's time to put the new part on and actually put the whole phone back together. That's crazy, man. Look, I see what the inside of my phone look like. Now it's time to put it back together. All my pieces, that's my phone right there. My cameras. Gotta show y'all the field trip. They all in orange, so you know. Alright, look, but they took them on a field trip to the market. And they all look like they got some smart watches and some robots and some toys. That's kind of cool. They took them on a field trip to the market, electronic market. Yeah, it looked like, so they got the watches that you can program phone numbers into. All right, and there you have it. Finished result. This was all cracked up and beat up. We put a brand new one on here. Took him about an hour. He said about an hour. Now I gotta leave this on for 2 hours, but I got my phone back. So it's a wrap. Now I'm about to go get some food at this Arabic spot. Call it a day. Make sure y'all like, follow, and subscribe. Where's Billy Baptist TV? Make sure y'all tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. I ain't new to this. I'm true to this. Peace.